Christmas bird count is a census of birds in the Western Hemisphere that is held between December 14th and January 5th of each year. It was devised originally as an alternative to the 19th century tradition of hunting birds at Christmas, and has evolved to become the longest-running citizen science project. There are tens of thousands of participants seeking out and counting tens of millions of birds each year. 2023 will be the 124th year of the Christmas bird count. If you don't already participate in one, as of this episode's release in November of 2023, you still have plenty of time to find and join a count local to you. The following was recorded while participating in the 102nd Hamilton Christmas Bird Count, December 26, 2022. My name is Rob, and this is the Songbirding Christmas Bird Count Special. It's December 26th, Boxing Day here in Canada, and Christmas Bird Count Day here in Hamilton. Starting off in the, what I know as West Campus, McMaster University. And there's some natural areas here. I'm taking some very ill-defined deer trails through. Already seen the first rarity of the day, a turkey vulture flying over. Something's becoming more and more common every winter. Also saw a bald eagle at the same time. So I can hear a northern cardinal doing its kind of clicking, ticking kind of call. A lot of distant house sparrows. There was a Canada goose here just a moment ago. Downy woodpecker, that's a first for today. I think there's some tree sparrows I'm just faintly hearing too. What I'd like to see down here, though, is the mockingbirds. Oh. See a blue jay in front of me. There it is calling. It's a chickadee singing. A distant whistle. Stepping into a small woodlot now. Hearing black-capped chickadee, rattles of dark-eyed juncos. There's the chickadee. Bit of a valley here next to a creek. Very active in here, so there's a pair of downy woodpeckers. Well, I'm hearing a red-bellied woodpecker. Okay, let's get close to this red-bellied woodpecker. Oh! Carolina wren just started. Just a few feet in front of me. Let's see if I can get closer in terms of being able to hear it. There we go. It was on an angle that wasn't great for recording. Much better now. Got a pair of Carolina red being quiet in front of me. There's some calling tree sparrows in the distance as well. That Pete. There we go. Carolina wren. This is one of their many calls. There are two of them making this sound, one close by and one further away. Now they could end up singing. Carolina wren are one of the few songbirds that sing year-round. Even in this, if I were to guess, negative 10 degree weather, Celsius that is. White-breast nuthatch. Woodpecker still pecking away above me. It's a red-bellied. Oh no, that one's a downy. There is a red-bellied here too, though. Gonna keep walking in here. That call was interesting. Can't decide whether that was a squirrel or a red-tailed hawk or a blue jay mimicking a red-tailed hawk. It's just between all of those sounds. Probably squirrel, though. It seemed more on that side of things. Just poor acoustics in here, making it a little vague. Oh, okay. 5 starlings just flew over. I'll have to add that to my list. Okay, we got some calling downy woodpeckers. Creek here is mostly frozen, but you can hear some of the water running. Just scared up a new wren right in front of me. hiding under a log nearby the trail. So that's 3 new wren for the list. There could also be winter wren around here, so I gotta listen for that. Oh. You can hear the wren talking amongst each other, just slightly. There we go. There's some distant house sparrows being very, very talkative. It's quite a crowd of them. This is the Carolina wren making these peep sounds. He's closer than I thought. This one that was just calling is picking some stuff off the ground just in front of me. Now it's gone over the creek bank. Looks like we're going to be interrupted by an airplane here in a moment. Oop. Well, the problems with it being a non-established trail. Let's get things like raspberry bushes, thorns. Carolina wren's coming up to me. Which is funny because I just set my recorder down in a spot to record it better. And I walked away a few feet and the bird came closer to me than the recorder. So I'm speaking from my lav mic right now. Body mic. Take a second, stop here, and let's write down our eBird and stuff since I started here. Or at least since I started recording. So I've had a couple downies, a red belly, it's going to go through the what we call the taxonomic order on the eBird list. A couple more black-capped chickadees. More white breast nuthatches, 3 more Carolina wren. Listen to that blue jay. 5 starlings. I'm just going to broadly estimate 15 house sparrows because there's a whole lot of them up there. Actually, could be anywhere between 10 and 50. Up there, so I'm going to go with 15 as kind of a conservative estimate right now until, or unless I get a chance to see them. A couple more American tree sparrows, a couple dark-eyed juncos. A 3 northern cardinal. Wren is very friendly. This is my first time using the body mic for the Songbirding episode. I have used it a little bit for some Patreon-only content. And it helped a lot that I had the patrons that I have to be able to get this neat little thing. So it'll help improve future episodes quite a bit. So I'll be able to do the kind of thing I'm doing right now. Just to separately record my voice. Whenever I want to set a recorder down and step away. As long as I stay in line of sight with my recorder, I can be recorded in my little narrations here. The Carolina Wren's kind of doing a little dance on a twig right now. While doing a little up, 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 up kind of call. There's also a downy woodpecker straight in front of the recorder. And it's ticks, tick. A higher pitched beep is the Carolina Wren. Sounds like we're going to have an airplane fly over here shortly. Oh, here's our first crow of the day. It's funny, just as I see one nearby, I hear one in the distance. 2, 3 crow. Wow, listen to all those house sparrows. Let's get closer to that. A real party going on over there. If I can find a trail that goes in that direction. Scolding Carolina Wren too. cardinal. Just hearing the ticking of it. But yeah, all this squabbling is house sparrows. They're all on a small hillside here, congregated in some shrubs. Let's see if I can possibly count them. Can't even fully see them yet. Which is weird because I hear them so clearly. To cut through the goldenrod here. It's hard to know how to count these because I think what's happened is on the other side of this ridge, on the hillside here, somewhere that's not accessible to me, on the other side of a creek, private property, just generally inaccessible. I think it's safe to say it's more than 15 though. Every year there's always a big flock in here. Okay. What I need to have happen is something to jump in there and spook them so they fly out and I can count. I believe the house at the top of this hill provides a feeder, so that's part of the reason there's so many here. Yeah, they're definitely just out of sight because I occasionally see one pop up and fly around. The blue jay has quieted them down. To the left of me, you got a Carolina wren. Might be the same one we saw earlier. Still waiting for my mockingbird though. Almost certainly is in here somewhere, it's just whether it reveals itself or not. It's going to be the question. American crow. Well, I'll bump my estimate up by another 10. Still be conservative, but I feel like it's probably more like 40 or 50 in there. But I'll put 25. Sometimes we have to just do conservative estimates. So I can't camp at this spot all day. But if as I leave I hear the flock come up, I'll take a quick look. Or maybe on the way out I'll see a better angle. Okay, getting a slightly better view. I can see more of them moving around. Oh, what do we got? Okay, crow. Thought I might have a raven or a turkey vulture, but another crow. I think I can safely say 35 now. Just from the amount I've seen moving, without any change in volume. I've seen several leave, and no real change to the intensity of the number of house sparrow calls I'm hearing. Now they get quieter. Yeah, there's quite a lot in there. All right. Maybe I'll come back here after, see if I can get the mockingbird, but for now, no such luck. There should be a pair in here, but the problem is it's not like their habitat is limited to just the spots I can walk in. There are other areas in here that I can't reach they could be sitting in. I'll also just be hunkering down from this poor weather. It's been cold for a few days. Alright, so I have some other sections to cover in this area. Well, I've got 3 ring-billed gulls just flew over. So I'll be adding that to my list. Sparrows just went quiet.
This Songbirding Christmas Bird Count special is a Songbirding Studios production and was recorded, engineered, narrated, and created by me, Rob Porter. With cover art and logo design by Lauren Helton, and Creative Commons music from Scott Buckley. For eBird checklists and links to more information about the Christmas Bird Count, please check the show notes.